Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to reset your network settings inside Windows 11 to fix your Wi-Fi or internet connection. So it's very easy. So if your internet is not working, the very first step you can do is that you can go to settings, and right inside your left hand side corner of the screen you will see this option network or internet, and just drag down. After that you will go to this advanced network settings. Simply click on that, and after that you will see this option at the bottom side, which is network reset. So this will actually reset all your network adapters to factory settings. So once you click this, you will see this option network reset, and simply click this button of reset now. After you click this button, your PC will automatically be restarted, and this will 99% of the time will fix your internet connection. So it will actually reset all your network adapters, all your Wi-Fi adapters to their default settings. So for some reason, if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can simply reset this, click the reset now button, and then PC will get restarted, and automatically then you can actually, your Wi-Fi connection will work. So this is the thing that you can do. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.